Hello, today we're going to talk about this product right here. This product is from GABBA Goods. If you don't know about GABBA Goods, they actually do ring lights as we have here, and they do car cameras too. I found that out because I purchased one. So anyway, I'm going to be talking about the social media video recording kit. I'm going to be unboxing it and then setting it up. And before I do that, if you can click the subscribe button from your view and subscribe to my channel, that'd be awesome if you would like to. Hopefully by the end of this video, I've added value to you regarding this social media video recording kit. I will be sharing also the pricing and just my take on this item. So let's get started. So we have here is the GABBA Goods social media recording kit. And basically what's inside is a 10-inch tabletop ring light, 120 LED lights, 3 light options, USB powered, and includes phone holder. Now, GABBA Goods also has another one of these that I did a video earlier, which is a phone holder ring light stand, which is a little bit different from this. This is a ring light with a tripod on the bottom. The previous video that I did for GABBA Goods is one where it's actually just one stand with a lot of bendable arms coming out of it. Please do take a look at the video if you would like. So let's unbox this item and let's build it out. Here's the back of it too. This is the back of it, as you can see. It's a pretty nice box. So basically what you get in this box is you get a phone selfie light that they actually give you on top of a 10 feet LED strip light. LED strip light, and then also the phone selfie light. And I'll be taking those out. I won't be opening the 10 feet LED light strip, as this one is pretty simple. It's just a light strip that you can open out and then kind of plug it into the power, and then, you know, just loop it whichever way you want on whichever surface you like, on your phone or around your ring light. So let's unbox this. All right, so let's see what we have in here. Just remove this baby. Okay, so what we have in here is first have this, and basically what this is your LED LED 10 feet LED light strip, multicolor with remote inside. I'm not going to be opening this. I just wanted to share with you guys what it is. This right here is your 10-inch ring light, front, back, and as you can see, it has a USB port, which is powered by a USB adapter. So basically, the adapter is not part of this, but basically what you would have to do is you would have to buy an adapter for the outlet, and then that way you can plug this USB into. Another way to do it is just use your laptop and plug it into there so that it gets powered up. As you can see, it comes with a remote. The remotes are pretty much universal with other ring lights. It's the bottom red button is your power button for the on and off. Then it has your minus button right there, and then your plus button. The plus button increases, the minus button decreases the lighting, and then the switch of the modes is the different modes. Usually they have 3 modes. So we'll talk about that more. You also get your phone light, which is also has a string that you use to power it up. So let's attach it to an iPhone that I have. You can just attach it to any iPhone, and then you can pretty much light it up. Basically, it will light up around this area right here. And then it comes with your tripod. With 3 legs. And then Right here is your LED 10 feet LED light strip. It is also USB, and this is the power for it. And then we have this, which is your phone holder, and then also your phone holder stand, which is this piece right here. That's what they would call it. Sometimes they'll come separated, but this one came together. And then you also have this, which is your tripod head. And basically it's where you're going to hook up your ring light, and also you're going to be putting in your phone stand and phone holder. And then this is your remote for the LED light. Right there. And then finally, what we also get is the instruction booklet. Social Media Video Recording Kit. Instruction booklet from GABBA Goods. It's always good to reuse this and read it. I'm just going to go ahead and put it together as I've step by step to just show you how it looks like with the pieces that I've just shown you, the end result. So first, you're going to use your tripod legs, okay? And then what you're going to do is everything focuses around the ring light. And then basically the ring light, as you can see, it has a little silver opening right there, circle. You're going to twist the tripod into it. So let's do that. So your tripod stand is now in with your ring light. In with the ring light. And what you're going to do now is you're going to take the tripod head, and then you're going to open it and take it out. And there's your tripod head. As you can see, the tripod head allows you to actually flex any direction. So you want to loosen it, the grip that tightens it to hold it in place, or you can loosen it, and then that way it'll flop around. So this allows your phone to be in different positions or directions. So let's go ahead and put the phone head, phone holder, and the phone holder stand, phone holder stand into the tripod head. As you can see, there's a little hole right there too. Just stick this part, the twisty, into the hole and just twist it in. Now I'm just going to keep the tripod head straight, and I'm going to tighten it so the grip is already tight right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this end part to screw it in to the other side of the 10-inch ring light, which has the opening right there in silver. Now you can also, assemble these in different orders, but if you've done a lot of these ring lights, they're pretty universal. And because of time, I just want to keep it very simple, and kind of, instead of doing it by the instruction booklet, which is always good to follow, I'm just doing it freelance wise. So we do have the tripod. Let's open the tripod legs. And then we have the tripod legs. Oh, this one opens pretty good. 10-inch. Tripod legs are open, okay? So it's gonna be in a flat surface. You have your ring light, you have your phone holder here. I'm gonna be putting an iPhone in here so you get an idea. And this is a flex one, so as you can see, it flexes out. So let's go ahead and put the iPhone in there. This is my old iPhone. And just put it there. So there you go, your iPhone. So this kind of allows you to do what you want to do. Well, recording, if you want to use it for cosmetics and stuff like that. So I'm just going to remove this so it's not blocking the overall view. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be unlocking the wires here. Use the USB head side, plug it in to a adapter, which I have on my outlets. Okay. Now, just a little bit about this 10-inch ring light. I think I mentioned it earlier. You know, it's 10 inches. I've seen some that are 9 inches, but most of them are 10 inches. And basically, the modes for this item is 3 light modes. So normally they'll have like a hot, cool, and warm light modes. And we're gonna be doing this right now. So here's the remote. Make sure that you turn on the power, and then you see that's light. Usually this is like your light. And then I'm gonna be changing the different modes right now. This is warm, and this is your bright. So with this bright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press the minus button to see how many steps of the decrease in the lighting it has. Normally they have like 10. So let's check it out. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. It's 10 of them. Let's increase it back. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. So there's 10 lights, brightness, 10 of them for downshifting, and then 10 for increase. There's also 3 modes, you know, light, medium, and bright. So there you go. This is your ring light. The social media video recording kit includes in this box, as I said earlier, your 10-inch tabletop ring light, 120 LED lights, which is the strip that I'm decided I'm not going to open. And then it's USB power, and it includes the phone holder, which is this piece right here, which goes on your iPhone. So let's put it back on. Just give you an idea. And also, this one also has power that goes into it too. There you go. And don't forget, there's a remote control for the LED lights, the strip, the 10 feet. Now, how much does this product cost? You know, this product itself probably retails like $45. But if you were to go to some a box store such as like the Ross, Marshall, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, stuff like that, you can probably get it for like $29.99. I think for beginners is a pretty good deal, these ring lights. And as I said before, you can use it for cosmetology. You know, like if you want to do cosmetics in front of the camera, put your phone in the center. If you're doing chatting, video streaming, it's great too. So it's a great starter item. Would I buy this item? Sure, if I was beginning. For me currently, you know, I have this light already overhead, so I don't really need it. But I would purchase this item. I think it's a great item. It's a great starter item. So it's a great way to actually begin your videos and then kind of move on from there, and then get different lightings after you got some experience and you know what kind of lighting you prefer or you would like. So once again, if I've added value with this video for you, please do leave me some comments, hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you would like. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to build my subscriber base. And as always, I'll be uploading new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday during the week. Till next time.